Virginia to the Carolines. Flag waving, Jesus praying,